Hey there, TikToker. We're so glad you've chosen the TikTok 4, and we can't wait to show you all the features of your new watch. Let's take you step by step on setting up your TikTok 4 so you can start connecting. Charging your TikTok 4. Please use a 5-volt USB charger to connect the charging cord to your watch. It will take about 3 hours to fully charge. Please do not use chargers above 5 volts, as this may cause damage to your watch. Inserting your SIM card. Please activate your SIM and credit your account before inserting. Once activated, using the included SIM lid opener, open the back lid, insert your activated nano SIM, and close the SIM lid. To avoid water damage, please make sure the back SIM lid is completely closed. Connecting to your cellular network. Press and hold the silver button for 3 seconds to turn on your TikTok 4. Once turned on, swipe the screen up to go to the status center to show your carrier's name, signal bars, and a connected symbol. The connection symbol will illuminate white once your TikTok 4 connects to your network. If the connected symbol does not illuminate or says no service, please make sure your SIM is activated. If your TikTok says no SIM, press and hold the silver button for 3 seconds to turn the watch off. Open the SIM lid, reinsert the SIM card, completely close the SIM lid, and turn your TikTok 4 back on. APN Settings. If you selected Use Your Own Carrier or are an international customer, you may need to edit the APN to connect to your network. Please contact your local carrier for your APN settings, and once you have confirmed, go to your watch settings. Select Edit APN and select the correct option corresponding to your carrier. If you do not see your carrier, select Add a new APN. After you have set up, swipe the screen up to view the status center and check the connection icon. Once it has illuminated white, your connection has been successful. Downloading the Parental Control app. Now it's time to download our free app to set up the watch and access all the parental control features. You can download on the Apple or Google Play Store for free by searching TikTok. Signing up for an account. After you've downloaded the TikTok app, you'll need to sign up for an account. First, select an avatar or upload a photo as your profile picture. Your profile picture will be used for messaging and phone calls with your TikTok. Enter your name, email address, country area code, phone number, password, and select your method for future sign-ins and receive your verification code. If you select to receive the verification code via text, you will sign into the app with your phone number moving forward, and vice versa if you receive the code via email. Enter your verification code into the app and select Done. Pairing your TikTok 4. Go to the settings on your watch and scroll down to select Pair. You will see your watch TTID number along with a QR code. In your app settings, select Pair, and using your phone's camera, scan the QR code. Select the green Pair My TikTok button to complete the pairing process. Editing your child's information. Select the avatar icon in the upper left corner of your app and click Edit to enter your child's information for their TikTok. First, select their profile picture by either taking a photo, uploading an existing photo, or picking an avatar. Enter your child's name, their watch phone number, gender, birthday, and select Confirm to save. Setting up contacts. You must select at least one contact before you can make any calls from your watch. In the app, select the contact icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and once opened, you will see 3 shortcut options at the top: 2 main contacts and an SOS contact. With shortcut options, your child can auto-dial directly from an icon on the watch interface. Select the first option and click Edit to add a profile picture, name, and phone number. Next, select a user avatar as your shortcut icon on the watch interface for quick dialing. You can edit the contact names and avatar icons to best fit your family. Once saved, go back to the main screen and repeat these steps for your second shortcut contact. The last shortcut will be your SOS contact, which the TikTok will dial automatically if the red button is held for 5 seconds. If you leave the SOS contact blank, the watch will call the first shortcut contact by default. In addition to the 3 shortcut contacts, you can set up to 50 other contacts. To add contacts, select the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of your app. Add a profile image, name, and phone number, and select Save to finish. You will find all saved numbers in your watch phone book. Enabling the firewall. After setting up your contacts, it is recommended that you turn on the firewall immediately. The firewall will block any unknown or non approved numbers from calling or messaging the watch directly. To turn on, open your app settings in the upper right hand corner, scroll down, and select Control Center to expand the options. Find the firewall option and toggle it on. Once turned on, the switch next to the firewall will appear green and block any unknown calls. Approving other app users. If you are the first person to pair your TickTalk 4, you will be the default admin user. You will be sent an approval request for any other users who want to pair with your child's TikTok. You will receive approval notifications in your app settings under Approved App Users. Here, you'll be able to grant different access levels to different users. If you give someone full access, they'll be able to use the same features and settings as the admin user, including locator, adding contacts, super hearing, and more. If you give someone limited access, they'll only be able to call, message, and send greeting cards to the watch. Setting up Do Not Disturb. In the app settings, select Do Not Disturb. Enter the title, start and end times, any recurring dates, and select Confirm to save. Once your Do Not Disturb is saved, your watch will receive a notification. When in Do Not Disturb mode, the watch screen will freeze except for emergency calls. All other functions will not be available in Do Not Disturb mode, and any messages and calls will be blocked until the time frame is up. Setting up reminders. In the app, select the reminder icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the main map interface. Select the plus icon to create a new reminder of your TikTok. You can select from 60 plus default reminders, create a custom reminder, and set alarms. For default reminders, select the category, browse the preset options, enter the time, any recurring dates, and select Confirm to save. For custom reminders, enter the reminder title, body of text, time, any recurring dates, and select Confirm to save. Your TikTok will notify your child for any set reminders like doing their homework or calling their grandma on their birthday. Using Bluetooth. On your watch, select Settings. Scroll to Bluetooth, search for the device you'd like to pair with, and select Connect. Once the connection is successful, you can listen to free music powered by iHeartRadio Family. Make hands-free calls from your TikTok or use any Bluetooth-capable device. iHeartRadio Family is currently available only for U.S. customers. Connecting to Wi-Fi. On your watch, select Settings. Scroll to Wi-Fi and make sure it is turned on. Select your Wi-Fi connection, enter your password, and select Go. If there is no Wi-Fi connection, your TikTok will automatically turn off Wi-Fi to avoid draining the battery with constant signal searching. Your TikTok will save your Wi-Fi password, but the feature may need to be manually turned on once you are back in your Wi-Fi connection. Setting daily music limits. Set daily music limits for your TikTok to avoid draining the battery or using data. To set up, go to your app settings and select Music and Usage Limits. Here, you can set how many hours per day your child can use the music feature. You can also choose to only allow music while connected to Wi-Fi to save your cellular data. Activity Tracker. TickTalk 4 has added an activity tracker for you to set daily step goals for your child. In your app settings, select Activity Tracker and select Goal to edit. Once saved, both you and your child will be able to see their steps along with daily, weekly, and monthly reports. Your child will also be able to compare their steps with their TikTok friends on the championship board. Adding friends. Your child can use the radar scanning feature to add other TikTok users as friends if they are within 3 feet of each other. To use radar scanning, select the Add Friends icon on your watch. Once both friends agree to add each other, they will be able to message, video call, and send greeting cards to one another. You can also add a friend mutually by selecting Add Friends and entering their friend's TikTok TTID number. The app admin will receive a notification when your TikTok has added a new friend. Our Parental Control app always keeps you connected with your watch. Calling 911. In case of an emergency, your child can press the silver button once and the red button twice to dial 911 directly. You can disable this feature in your app settings under the Control Center if you have a younger child to prevent accidental calling. Setting a watch password. You can choose to set a password for your TikTok 4. To set up, go to your watch settings, select Watch Password, and enter a 4-digit code of your choice. Once set up, the password must be entered to access the watch. Setting up your T-Cloud. For TikTok 4 users, we offer 1 gigabyte of free cloud storage space. T-Cloud makes it possible to sync your data from your old TikTok watch to your new watch for a seamless transition. We recommend you back up your TikTok to avoid losing any data, such as settings, photos, videos, and messages. To back up, go to your app settings and select T-Cloud. You have 5 options when backing up. The first is to back up your current watch data to your T-Cloud. The second option is to restore your watch to the last backup if you've accidentally deleted data. The third option is to transfer your data and settings from an older TikTok. This is the best option when you've purchased a new watch and want to quickly transfer your data. The fourth option is to transfer only your data from your old TikTok and re-enter your settings manually on your new watch. The last option is for families who've purchased multiple TikToks to sync your existing parental control TikTok app data, like contacts, settings, and reminders directly to your new watch. IP67 water resistant. Our watches are manufactured in accordance with IP67 water resistant standards. However, water damage is possible under certain circumstances. Please do not wear your watch while bathing or swimming, and regularly check the SIM lid is completely closed to avoid water exposure to the internal mechanisms. We can't wait for you to enjoy your TikTok 4. If you have any questions or need help, our dedicated support team is here to help you. You can reach us via email, live chat, or phone. You can learn more at www.mytiktok.com and check our support page for further assistance. Thank you.